What is the least beneficial aspect of your truck when it comes to your work environment?
The unsupported seating. Bench sheets rock for some purposes, but overall, at a long day, you need a place to relax and eat lunch, take a snack, or get home. And whenever you're driving at 70 miles per hour, it feels like a rodeo in here, honestly. Especially through Seattle, where the bumps in the road make you really shift and you're just flying. Everybody else is flying around the cab, regardless of seat belts. So, cup holders would be handy, as well as seat covers in some form. I noticed that at the hatchery I work at, they have seat covers for their truck, and those seem very beneficial.